To make a reusable menstrual pad using a cotton t-shirt, here are the materials that you need. 1 piece of cotton t-shirt, a set of pad template that consists of 1 inner template and 1 outer template, a marker or fabric chalk, a pair of fabric scissors, some cloth pins or metal clips, something to close the pad rings like snap buttons, hooks or even safety pins, and a sewing machine. If you are hand sewing, you would need a needle and some thread. If you are making a reusable pad using store-bought fabric, you will need to purchase 3 types of cloth. The first is 1 piece of fleece for the back of the pad. Second is 1 piece of microfiber for the insides of the pad. You can also add extra layers if you like the pad to be more absorbent. And finally, 1 piece of flannel for the top of the pad. Here's where and how much it would cost to purchase this material.